Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed Tehtisam. So in this video, I would like to explain my project that name is blogging application. Basically, blogging application is totally based on REST API. Means this API perform all the CRUD operation of any blogging application with user security and some validation at every step. So this is all about my intro part of project, and another part that is I would like to explain my readme first, and then I would like to explain my code base, and then I would like to showcase my project on the Swagger. So allow me 1 minute to share my screen and then try to explain my uh, readme first, and then follow the further step that I told earlier. So wait a minute. So I hope you are able to see my screen. So basically, this is my project name, blogging application, as I mentioned earlier, and this is a logo of my application, and this whole thing is a readme of my project. So this let me tell you that what types of tech stack I'm using in this project. So basically, I'm using in this project tech stack such as Java, Spring Framework, Spring Boot, Spring Data GPA, and Spring Security, and Hibernate, and MySQL for the data, connection database purpose. So this is all about tech stack. Let me try to ex explain some feature of my project. So basically, if I talk about feature of my project, so such as the first feature of my project is that exceptional handling in my application and using model mapper for mapping model, and validating data using being validator fully, and implementing of pagination and sorting also implement in this project as well as searching part is also covered in this project. And the most important thing of this project is that I also cover security part in this project to make my application secure from the different users. So this is all about feature of my project. So let me explain what was the module that I am using in my project. The first module is that user module, and the second is that post module, and the third is that category module, and the uh, fourth one is comment module. So these are the module according to my project. So let me show my some screenshot of Swagger, how my project is look like. So these are the screenshot of my project at Swagger, as you can see in this screen. And this is a screenshot of user controller, and this is a screenshot of post controller, and this is a screenshot of category controller, and last but not the least, that is comment controller, or a screenshot of my project. So uh, let me open my STS and then try to run my project. And also uh, I want to run my project in front of you at Swagger. So allow me 1 minute. So as you can see, I'm here in my STS, and you can see here my project name, that is blogging application. And let me open this package first. So as you can see, there are lots of packages available in my project. So basically the important package is src slash main slash Java. In this package, we contain all the important package regarding to our project. And this is a src slash main slash resource package. In this package, we put application dot properties file, that is very important to for the purpose of connection of uh, uh, property related to a database, as well as ports port number. So that's why we are using application dot property for this reason. So let me before going to starting my project, I would like to explain the most important file in our project, in my project, that is pom.xml file. So basically in pom.xml file, let me open first. So yeah, as you can see here, this is uh, a blogging application pom.xml file. So this is nothing but this is a pom.xml file, and in this pom.xml file we put all the important dependency regarding to our project or requirement to our project. So that's why we using pom.xml file. So we cannot without using pom.xml file with the dependency, we are not we are unable to inject the annotation in our project. So that's why we are adding some important dependency in a pom.xml file first. So as you can see here, the first one is that is spin security dependency. It is used for security purpose. And validation dependency is also used for validation purpose, as well as devtool. Devtool dependency is also important dependency whenever you run your project or I run my project. So I if I get any bug during that time, so I can fix that bug, and without again and again set and again and again close and open my project. Just click the control plus S for the save as purpose, and then you can easily run your project again. So that's why, to avoid such thing, we use this devtool dependency in a pom.xml file. So this is the MySQL character dependency. It is a this dependency is used for the take the connection between the uh, STS and the database for the database management purpose. So this is a Lombok dependency. Through this Lombok dependency, we can annotate our getter setter method no argument constructor with the help of annotation without implementing by uh, through our ID. We can easily build is getter setter method or getter setter method with the help of annotation in our project. So this is all about the dependency important related to dependency that I'm using in my form.xml file. So let me show my resource packages. In resource packages, as you can see here, there is a file that name is application.property file. So if you go in this file, and you are able to see lots of things are available as a property. So the first one is thing is that is server.port. Basically we give the port number in this application.property file, and we also give the database configuration property here as well. And we will also give some ORM based software specification property in this application.property file, as you can see here. And we also give some another requirement related to our project. We just give the property in the application.property. So let me open my project main folder, that is src/main/java. So as you can see here, this is a lots of packages. Basically these are the packages that are most important whenever you want to create any project. So these are the packages that I created for my project. So this is a com.muhammad. This is a root package, you can say. Without this package, you are not able to run your project. And this is a com.muhammad config package. In this package, we add all the Swagger configuration, security configuration classes in this package according to our project. And this is a controller package. In the controller package, all the controller is done in the particular controller according to our project. So as you can see here, auth controller for the authentication purpose we make this class, and category controller for the category purpose we make this controller, and comment controller is also used for comment purpose. And post controller and user control, these are the most important controller in our project. Through with this controller we can get the hit the request on API by creating a post, or you log in the user, as I will show you in my testing time. So this is a entity package. In the entity package, you can say this is all the important class we make, and we just as you can see category.java and category.java file is here, and these are the annotation regarding to the regarding to regarding to our project requirement. We used this annotation with the help of dependencies that I mentioned in the uh, form.xml file. That is this annotation, getter annotation, setter annotation, and no argument. These are the annotation belongs to Lombok. So that's why we add the Lombok dependency to reduce our code. So that's why we use this annotation. So as I move further, so you can see here I make exception package. In this exception package we try to collect all the exception through the requirement of the project, such as API exception. We make, and we make also global exception. If any exception has occur, we will we will solve that problem with the help of global exception. So this is not resource not found exception. If we if we are unable to find our resource, so this exception will occur on that time. So this is a payload packages where all the DTO packages is available. What is DTO package? Basically DTO package is nothing but data transfer object. So here all the classes according to DTO, and uh, um, uh, and then I would like to go further. That is a repo package. In this repo package, all the repository classes regarding to our project is in it, in this project, such as category repo, comment repo, and post repo, and rule repo and user repo. So this is a another package that name is security package. So in this package we create the uh, regarding the classes of security, such as JWT token helper class and JWT authentication filter class for the filtering purpose, and we also creating the JWT authentication entry point class for the security purpose. So if I talk about the important package, that name is service, where we implement the method regarding to the particular classes, such as category. What we make, you can see here there is a nothing but there is a create method, update method, and delete method, and get method, and the get all method. These are the method that we use in category service class. And in another package we implement these class, as you can see, category service implementation. So these are the logic sorry, these are the logic is here related to a create method, update method, as you can see. And now scroll down, so you can see delete method logic is here. And thus you can simply this method is this logic is related to a get a single category method. Means if you want to get the detail of a category of a single person, to just give the use the category ID, and you can easily get the detail of single category. And this is a logic of get all the methods, as you can see here. So this is all about our code base, and this is a package that I explained. Let me run my project, and then we will go on a swagger. So this is blogging. So yeah, sorry for inconvenience. So yeah, this is a main file. So main file, I would like to run my project in front of you. So as I go on run as option, and you are able to see there are four different options available. Just select fourth one option, a Spring Boot app, and run your. Now you are able to see my project is running in front of you. Just give me 1 minute, it will appear in the console. Yeah, as you can see here in console, that everything is going fine. If anything is going wrong, we get easily here. So let give me 1 minute for this. So yeah, everything is going fine till now. So okay, cool. Now you are able to see that is everything is going fine, and everything is created. So let me go on a uh, such tab and open this API in front of you. So this is the URL of this Swagger. So now you are able to see this application is running quite good in a Swagger. So as you can see, this is a title of my project, that is blogging application, and the version is 1.0, and the base URL is localhost dot double dot 8080 slash 80. That basically this is a port number that we use in application.property file. So here you can see. Now you can see here all the controller regarding to our project, such as auth controller and basic error controller and category controller and comment controller and post controller and user controller. So I would like to go step by step, that it will help you to understand how my API is working fine. So this is auth controller. So let me open this auth controller and try to run in front of you. So in auth controller, there is two method, that is post, and then both are the post. The first one is for creating the token from this API, and the second one is register user. So let me register a user and then try to create a token. Okay. So yeah, as you can see here, this is a mm, body of request. Here I put the body of the request and then hit the request in front of you. So let me open this try it out button first. Now I am able to edit this JSON syntax. So yeah, so there is no need to uh, fill the detail of rows. It will take care by default from the uh, STS, that is hard coded. And now I have to put about section. So in about section, let me put it is a sorry, I am a hard I am a programmer. So here I give a short a dummy text for the about section to run my project in front of you. So let me put the email. So program pgram @gmail.com. So this is the email. No need to put ID. It's also take care by the STS. That is it is it take care by auto, means it is a auto created, so it will take care by the STS. No need to give the ID. So let me remove this cursor as well. Now put the name of this. So let me put current current 123. So as you can see here, I put all the credentials that required in this request body. Let me hit this request API in front of you with the help of execute button. So now you are able to see that the we fill the correct credential in a request body, so we will get the uh, response body with a correct credential. So as you can see here, the ID name is 9 and name is Karan and email is pgram@gmail.com and password is this. Uh, and this basically this password is converted into this one. This is a so and this is the role of this person, that is normal user. So let me go on the uh, workbench SQL to see the that everything is fine or not in a database. So if I refresh this page, so you are able to see he the 9 ID name Karan and the Gmail this and program this and password this. So let me try to hit the another request of auth controller. So this is the first request. Let me hit the second request, that is create a token. So before going to create the token, we have to just put this true credential in a request body. Let me click on try it out. Now we are able to edit this syntax. So let me take the credential from here, that is email is this. Let me copy from here, email. Now email is used as a user here, username. And now let's copy the code, that is password current 123. So if I hit the correct credential, so I will get the token, otherwise I get an exception. So let me first put the correct credential, then we will put the wrong credential. So as you can see here, this is a credential. Let me that I put in a request body. Let me hit the this request API in front of you with the help of execute button. So sorry, okay, there is a mistake in here. As you can see, now I am able to execute this API. So as you can see here, the credential is correct. So the request credential is correct. So we get the token. Otherwise, we will get the error. So this means there's our request credential is correct, and now we get the response as a token. So we use this token for the another API purpose. So open. Let me copy first these credential, this token here. So as you can see, I am copying the token here for the to hit the another API if there is required of token. So let me open the category first. Now let's create the category first. So if you go, you will have to just first try to go on authentication and pass the token. Before, I have to write this space and then put the token and authorize. Now I'm able to create the category in this API. So let me try it out. So yeah, let me fill this credential in front of you. So description, it is a category of sports. Sports. So as you can see, this is a category of sports. So no need to pass the ID. It take care of by default from the STS. And this is a string, that is the means we have to put the category title here. So this is the title, this is a category title, that is sports. So if everything is correct credential, so we will get correct output in a response body. Otherwise, if anything is wrong in a request body, so we will not get correct credential in a response body. So let me hit this API with the help of execute button. So now you are able to see that we fill the correct credentials, so that's why we get the correct response in the response body. As you can see, let's go and check it on database that is available or not. So open the category table and just you are able to see the third category, that is category sports. Okay, so now I let me open again. So as you can see, we are able to create the category, that is working fine, the this request API. Let me try to run another one in front of you. So yeah, let get the category. So if I pause the category ID, that is 0, sorry, if I pass the category ID 3, so we will get the detail of the 3. So if I try it out, so now I have to pass the category ID and then execute this property. So we can see here that this detail that I put with the help of category 3. So this is a correct, means we put the correct credential in this category ID. So we will get correct response in a response body. So let me go on another API to showcase my work. Or API is working fine. So close this API. Now it's time to go for post API, post controller. Just open the post controller and try to. I would like to create a post. Okay. So just little bit. Yeah. As you can see here, there is a uh, create post API. Just open this option and now try this out. So first we fill the credential related to a category ID. So category ID is 3, that is export part that I used in earlier, and we have to just put the credential regarding to the request body that here is required. So there is a no need of comments. Okay, it take care by the uh, ID. So let will remove this one, and there is a what was the required on in this field. So let me check first that a date it will take care. Okay, description, content. So yeah, this will take care by the ID, so no need to just fill this fill the content as well as image name and post ID. It will take care also by this. You can just put, or you it will take care by the STS. Give the title and remove the all further detail, because there is no need to of this. So I just remove these things. Now, let me put the credential in a request body in front of you. So content, if I talk about content, so content is related to content of sport. And image name, let's give a body dummy image text dot png, and no need to pass the post ID. It will take care by the STS. So give the title, that title is sport post. So as you can see here, I fill the credential in front of you in a request body. Let me execute this request API, and we will get, if all the credential is correct, so we will get all the correct detail in a response body. Sorry, I think there is some. Okay, there is. I have to pass. Let me check a user ID first. What is the user ID? So basically, if I talk about user, so user, so let me give the user ID is 1, sorry 9, because it is related to a current. So let me open the again. Yeah, as I pass user ID as 9, let me execute this query. So now means means the request credential is correct, and the everything is working fine. So that's why we getting the correct response in a response body. You can see here that role that is normal user, and the ID is 520 and that is a hard coded. I am giving in my STS, and this is all the detail regarding to the post. So as you can see here, so that's all about some working of my API, and it's working fine. I hope you like this, and yeah, thank you for listening. Have a good day.